Hey, how are you?
I had a place before this where I had a lock where I used my phone, so I walk out all the time without my keys and don't think anything of it.
Okay, your key inside?
Yeah, they're inside. They're on the counter in there.
Okay, you lock just the bottom one or the...
Just the bottom, yeah.
Just this, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Hey, how much?
Yeah, it's around $150. Yeah, it's a regular lock, it's not the special any. Yeah, I can unlock this without damage. Yeah, receipt sent. No problem. Thank you. Have a nice day.